Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Yo yo yo. Wow, wow, wow. Awesome. Finally, we are at we are at the last week of the Build Camp program. Wow, it was quite amazing program, right? Like a total of 6 weeks to make great builders on base, yeah, and hunt town, yeah. So yeah, it was really great fun, and then I'm sure that you guys learned a lot too, and met really great your teammates. I mean, Web3 world. I mean, your Web3 journey might have some difficulties later on, or you may need some support. In this case, your teammates are really important, like, kind of, we go on the journey together. So now you guys are all alumni of Hunttown and Bootcamp. So yeah, let's kicking on this Ideathon. Woo! Awesome, awesome. All right. Um, so currently I'm sharing my screen like this, but I think the screen shares limits only 50 people, so you may not be able to open up my screen. If not, please let us know so that maybe Seb or Loja can open up new screen share, just identical with mine. So don't worry about it. So please let me know if you cannot turn on your screen share. All right. Okay, so as usual, we do have attendance check. Oh, again, this will be your last attendance check to earn build camp points. So, I mean, if you're not in the build camp, you don't need to submit this form. This is only for build campers. So, if you're a build camper, please submit this form so that you can get additional build camp points. All right, make this timer. All right. So let's recap quickly what we've done so far over these 6 weeks. First of all, we launched BuildCamp program to form like
Huh?
yes.
See?
Hello, Arrow.
Why?
Why? You wanna say hi while your mic is turned on? Or
What
please,
the thing?
what are we doing? Yeah, we're doing Ideathon. All right. If you don't want to
Give me
talk
5 minutes,
something,
10 minutes.
what? Okay. If seems like you're not talking to us,
I'll
so
go call in 25 minutes as well.
can you translate what he said? I can't understand. All right. So back to the opening. So yeah, we did. We started BuildCamp to form really truly based builders, right? So many of them actually are kind of Web3 newbies, or yeah, some of them are already in Web3 but never thought about any launching your own project or involving in a project serious way, right? And some of them build campers were serious builders who had their own thing and probably learned a lot to develop more serious way, right? So yeah, this is all about to build real builders on base chain, hosted from Hunt Town. So yeah, I think that it was really great start, right? And oh no no sorry. And then so second week we invited MFers communities, like especially Emily Jr. Joined as a special session speaker with Tony, and then they shared a lot great inspirations how this cool and great MFers project began in the beginning, and also how did they grow kind of this much at the moment, like the one of the best Web3 communities spaces ever, right? And then after that, we had really NFT special sessions, right? So we invited Falconic. They showed how they turned successfully art project into really gamified, cool Web3 project. Also, we invited Snoop's team. They launched a very cool PFP project from a extremely scratch based, like very, very zero scratch. So even, the Snoops team did not have any developers in the team, but they created awesome projects. So we learned a lot how to start your project from the scratch, right? And also, we invited Tony again, and then we explored the world of far cars and how do they attach those NFT theme into the social fi spaces, which was really cool, right? And the next week, we invited Sebayaki, or If in the wordcast. He is actually, probably not many people know, but he is actually smart contract master. He's really smart contract master. So I invited him, but whenever he says something, explain about some difficult concept, it's too difficult to understand. So I translated a lot. So yeah, I think we successfully learned a lot about smart contract at the time, right? Yes. Yeah, like his sensei. And the last week, we ran a Web3 marketing sections, right? So we invited undefined and cauliflower to explore about the WordCast tools that already well-known tools many forecasters use at the moment. And we got lots of tips how to utilize, and even they gave 1 week free trial coupon, you remember. And also, not many people know that, but Mint Club intern and Loja in Huntertown, he's actually ex-Binancean. He used to work in Binance, so as a marketer. So we heard a lot about the great lesson learned and knowledges about the Web3 marketers' life and career points from him. Yep. So it was a really great session, right? Yes, yes. Wow. So these are all cool sessions that we could learn a lot, and we could get a lot of inspirations from the existing projects and builders. And also in the meantime, we also did lots of team activities in every week. So yeah, that was great fun. Now today, finally, we are at the final week of this 6 weeks program to have Ideathon. Oh, yep. So this is our usual thing. So after 5 minutes, what we do is that we close down the attendance check form, because attendance check is kind of unique thing. Like we kind of value the people, the builders are on time. That's why we do this. So yep. So attendance check is finished. All right. So that was actually last chance for you to earn build camp points if you're a build camper. Oh, please, you didn't miss that. I hope that you didn't miss it. Okay. All right. So Ideathon. We really tried to invite legendary builders in WordCast that everyone, literally everyone admired, right? So first of all, founder of Nanar Manan and the Matthew, founder of FC Trivia, Jeeves, and a lot of projects actually. He hosted a lot of projects. Kyle, very famous, right? And Karen, founder of Wildcard, and Cheryl, wow, it's like she's the most well-known designer in my opinion. And Undefined, founder of Mint Club and Hunt, and Tony, Tio, he said that he's a Web3 Tony Stark. Yeah, I completely agree. Emily Jr., Serious Empress lead, and Sartocrates, Empress community core members, and Kevin Empress. I mark him as a chief meme and Empress officer. Yeah, so we invited a total of 10 judges, right? But please understand that some of them might not have right time zone, like some of them probably still in the 5 a.m. Time, 4 a.m. time, too early, or maybe too busy for some his or her own project. So they may not be able to join. Don't worry, we're gonna check their attendance from the very beginning of the presentation, and if they couldn't make from the very beginning presentation, we will exclude their scoring. So don't worry about it. We're gonna run this Ideathon really as fair as much as possible, to be fair. Okay. All right. So don't worry about it. But please appreciate all these judges to try to support you guys and maybe give great feedbacks and stuff, right? And this is just like a little fun thing, but we're gonna select the first place and second place, third place, and then give you a little present too. So if your team is in the first place, then all of your team members will get one main building NFT. This is the main building, right? And if your team is in the second place, each of the team member will earn 3 mini building NFTs. And the third place for 1 mini building NFT each for your team members. So wow, it's fun, right? Judging criteria is quite unique. So we didn't want to set like the typical judging criteria. Usually like creativity, feasibility, execution potential, sort of like that. It sounds really boring, right? So we assume that, we're not rich at all, so we can't do physically. So this is just like a assumption, right? So we assume that we give $100,000 on each judge, and they have to spend the money to invest on your project. So they're gonna allocate their 100,000 hypothetic, like assuming funds into the each team, right? So after that, we're gonna collect and sum up all the invested money, and that's how we get first, second, and third prize, right? So yeah, it's gonna be fun. And you see, each judge may have different criteria to use their own money. So it's gonna be really fun. Maybe some judges think that funness, creativity is the most important. Some other judges may think that the structuralized project or the execution part, feasibility, that is the most important. Each of them have different. Each of them has different opinions. So yeah, that's why we set up this criteria, right? So it's gonna be really fun. All right. Any questions for judging criteria so far? No? You guys are good? Yeah? Is this hunt tank? What is hunt tank? None so far? Judges are polite or harsh? Oh, I'm pretty much sure that they are all very polite, and they really value of any trial on Web3, because we typically try to select, invite the judges that they kind of started from the scratch, like so they really, I'm sure that they really want to support any of the projects genuinely, because we're all based builders. So yeah, we love this culture, we love this atmosphere. So don't worry about that. They're not gonna be harsh at all. Okay. Yep. Okay. So today's presentation, 5 minutes presentation time in total. I'm gonna set timer like this, 5 minutes. So you already saw this, right? So timer will beep. Once this timer beep, then unfortunately I need to stop your saying. All right? To be fair for everyone. Do you guys all agree with it? Yeah? Do you guys all agree? Yeah? So 5 minutes, very sharp 5 minutes presentation, and we're gonna have some Q&A time, probably from judges or any other people. If you have questions, please type in the launch channel, and I can maybe pick it up some of them to ask. If you're very confident to ask directly, then during the Q&A time, maybe you can turn on your mic and then ask. But yeah, I recommend to use launch chat. For the judges, yeah, I recommend you to ask active questions, please. And also, be in mind that this is Ideathon. It's not a demo day. So most of the projects are in the idea level. So for your questions, please check that this is just idea. So maybe you may ask questions about how to execute later. Is it really possible to do or something like that? Yeah, that's fine. But please do not ask like, so where's the token? Where's the website? I don't see any NFT image or sort of like that. Yeah, please do not ask questions in that way, please. Okay, and we're gonna do the presentation from the team order, by team orders. So from team 3 team 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 this way. All right. Um, maybe for some judges may think that like where's team 1 and 2? Yeah, there used to have team 1 and 2, but we kind of restructured by allocating team 1 and 2 to the other teams because team 1 and 2 has too many inactive members. So this is kind of the history. So actually team 3 is the first one. So team 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Okay. Any questions before we begin? Because we're gonna really start right now. If you guys don't have any questions, then it's presentation time! Woohoo! Oh, so for the presentation, all right. So for the presentation, please share your slides on default, and I'm gonna share your slide to other people too, so they can just watch my slide or your slide directly. If you want me to run the slide, then please let me know in advance for your team's sections, your team's time. Do you understand? Yeah. So on default, please share your screen for your team presentation. But if you want me to lead the slide sharing, then please let me know with the link of the slide. Okay? All right. So the first presentation will be Team 3's pictorials. Woohoo! Everyone, let's make a big class for Team 3 pictorials. Woohoo! All right. Who is gonna be presenter? Team 3. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, yo, Dylan. So you're gonna do the presentation, right?
Yes. I'm very nervous because this is my first time.
Okay. So I'm gonna set the timer now. Is it okay?
Yes, okay.
All right.
Let's start.
Let's begin your presentation now.
Hello, good morning, judges. Thank you for this opportunity to present my project. My project name is Pictorial, a crypto merch and NFT project. Here you can see the logo of our project. So let's start the project overview. So Pictorial is an innovative platform that combines digital art, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs to empower creators. We help creators craft unique digital characters that represent their personality, which are then minted as NFTs on the Mint Club platform. These NFTs are tradable digital assets that fans can buy, sell, and collect. So Pictorial's creators have unique opportunity to monetize their digital identity while engaging with their fan base in deeper, more profitable way. Fans, on other hand, can own exclusively digital collectibles and potentially benefited from the appreciation of NFT value. That's all what it's written through AI. So let me start by my own. So uh, let me show you the working mechanism. How we gonna work? First we collaborate with some popular creators. Then we made the collections of the profile pictures. Like we make the merchandise like caps, t-shirt, pants, and hoodies, etc. We will create the amazing and design which is based on their profile picture. Uh, then we will make the character which gonna use that merchandise. Means uh, they are wearing that merchandise. So like creator choose the merchandise from the particular collection. Like we create 5 hoodies, 5 pants, and 5 socks, something like that. And the creator choose the hoodie design and the socks design and the like cap design. Then he will choose and allow us to create the character. Then next process is like we create the card which represent the character, and then will turn into the NFT from which we're gonna launch in Mint Club. We will use Mint Club smart contract for that, and then we will gonna continue to launch it. Okay. So let us start the business model. So we actually talking about the profile picture, which is basically from the Rapcaster, and we use mental assessment context for that. Okay, then we will continue to the business model. So for creators, creators give us for the first time, like creator allow us to create the character and design, and then we will gonna launch the collection of the that character, and we will gonna set the 5% royalty. Okay, so out of 5%, 80% of out of 5% will go to the creator itself, and the 1% of the amount will go to us, like for the project development. Okay, and the other benefit for the creator is we will gonna create the our like unique design, which is like so like same as their personality, which will like show their personality of their profile picture. So if they love the our design and the artwork on the merchandise, they can also use it for physical uses, like they can use it for their physical merchandise as well. Okay, then what the revenue for the platform. Okay, so the second topic, like what platform earns by this. So first of all, we will need like some creation fees, like whenever creator come to us, and he will give us some initial payment fees, it's like basically $50 or like $30 for this collection and creator making, character making. Okay, and the other benefits like 1% of the royalty. And for the fans, like fan can buy the NFT as well, and they can earn the profit by capital appreciation. And like that's what if wait for a minute. This is the collection we made so far. Like here, you can see the caps we have made. Like we have like multiple caps, but we can't show every cap here. And the design which we have made so far during the build cap session, like in 1 month period. And there are these are undergarments. Like I love the design of undefined as well. So like these are the designs which we have created. Okay, so
All right.
let me conclude this.
All right.
So
Unfortunately,
this
the
is the
five
character.
minutes time's off. 5 minutes time's off.
Okay, okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
So we have to finish your presentation. So everyone,
Okay.
this was the pictorial team's team three's presentation. All right. Let's make a big applause first. Woohoo! That was great. So, do you guys have any questions? Then you can turn on your voice and ask directly, or leave the message at your question in the launch channel so that I can pick it up. Yeah. Um, until people ask questions, maybe I may ask some questions. Okay, there are some questions. Shipping is available in Asia.
We are like online, so we just make characters
Yeah.
and turn into the tradable NFTs. We are not like for physical. You
Um,
can use our design for physical uses.
yeah, yeah.
We don't want to provide this.
Um, I have a question actually. So you said that you
So
are gonna use NFT for the goods, right? Is it, are you talking about like, NFT with the goods, or is it gonna be some kind of like a tickets or tokens, I mean NFT form
like
to purchase
this is
something?
like
Yeah.
see, like we have like multiple design. We are like designer. We creates multiple collections,
Uh-huh.
and out of which like merchandise, different collections, and then creator chooses the merchandise like cap design and hoodie design and undergarment design, and then he will allow us to make the character, and then we will launch the character in through the Mint Club platform using a smart contract, and then creator can share and earn revenue from there that. So like monetization of creators.
I see, I see. So
And
to
would like to add something like if like our design is like basically focus on the creator's profile picture, so he might also like it. And our design is like unique, so he can use it for physical use. Like we don't gonna provide the offline delivery, but he or she like go to the shop and tell that use it for merchandise and something like that, print it on t-shirt, something like that.
Undefined ask questions. What kind of curve are you using on Mint Club?
So maybe it's logarithmic or exponential, like
Okay.
which will grow. Maybe it's linear also, but don't be flat size. Like we want the fan like who are early investor in the character cards. So we want that like they earn some capital appreciation also.
So it's gonna be like more popular of designers goods, then the price of the purchase will be also increasing, right? Because you're saying
Yes.
exponential
Yes.
curve. Awesome. So for example, can you show me the trunk again? The underwear? That was
Wow,
hilarious. Yeah.
okay. Ah,
So
like this
yeah,
made by
so
Kenna, I think.
if there's a
They are
designer
amazing.
who is really specialized in making this cool NFT themed underwear, then the price of the underwear may increase because it's gonna be using a Mint Cloud. Is that correct understanding about your business model?
I can say
Yeah.
that like user can also use it for their physical print, like in their own
Awesome.
underwear,
Yeah. All
something
right.
like that.
One last question, please. Anyone? Let's have one last question. Can't wait to wear.
Hey, can you
Matthew.
guys hear me?
Yeah. I can. We can hear you.
Hey, it's Emily. Thanks
Hey,
for the
Emily.
presentation.
Yes.
It was a really good presentation. Thank you. Uh,
Thank you,
a
sir.
couple things
Uh
I
huh.
wanted to point out, and I don't know if this is applicable to you or not, but uh, MFers have, so in terms of like digital avatars, one MFer, his name is Here's My, and he open sourced, he created an open source of digital avatars of all the MFers in a GLB file, which are transportable into like all kinds of spaces, 3D spaces. And I don't know if this is applicable to you, but that could be an option where there's these avatars out there that are open source that you can use, and you could compose on them with your merch maybe. And they were made for things like this. So I don't know if you guys have a very set way that you're going to make the digital that's more aligned with specifically your brand, then that's fine. But I just wanted to share that in case you didn't know that there are these open source GLB files out there that you can compose on top of, and perhaps add your merch to. So that's one thing. And then the other thing it reminded me is when Coinbase did their mint a penny campaign, where you were able to mint an NFT of a penny and use that NFT to claim a hat that had the penny on it. And I really liked that. I enjoyed that. It was all done through a frame, and that was a nice thing that they did. So I just wanted to share those two things. But thanks for presenting.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Matev. I will surely look into this.
Awesome. So what Emily mentioned is that first of all, MFers has actually a lot of CC0, the images that you can utilize, and also there's a 3D MFers project and stuff that you can maybe use directly to for creating the goods. Maybe you can consider. Another one is that probably Emily mentions about the cool the frame, uh, the using frames on WordCast to people utilize like what the Coinbase did for. I remember that the pennies, yeah, that was really brilliant marketing. Yeah, so maybe that can be a good benchmarking point for you to share your amazing goods to people to be able to mint the NFT form.
Yeah, so they had
Yeah.
the way they did you minted the NFT on a frame, but then you went to the website to do the claim and all of that for the
Right.
physical stuff. So, but yeah, thank you.
Awesome feedbacks. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, so everyone, this was the Team 3 Pictorials presentation. Let's make a big claps. Woohoo! Awesome. All right.
Thank you, guys. Bye bye.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Okay, now let's meet team 4, villain NFT team. Everyone, team 4. Woohoo!
Hey guys, what's going on?
So, team 4, who's gonna present?
Me, Urban Gladiator.
Alright, and you want me to run the slide for you, right?
I mean, you're doing such a great job already. Yes.
Okay, so this is the one, right?
Yes.
Alright, so you're ready?
Yes.
Okay, I will start this stopwatch now. Let's go!
Hi everybody. Hello judges. For just $100,000 of pretend money, you can invest in villain NFTs and toxic coin tokens. This is brought to you by Team 4. Can we get the next slide, please? So you've probably had a lot of NFT projects that have been very cute, very nice. Maybe they're buildings, but this is the project for where you want to be a little bit evil, a little bit toxic, a little bit villainous. This is the NFT project for you. So essentially, this is villain NFTs. They'd be unique villains, but you can increase the evilness of your villains with toxic traits and auras to really power up your villains. So we would have a Toxicoin token that people can spend on traits and auras. So essentially you would earn Toxicoin with your villain NFTs and then use Toxicoin to boost the power of your villain NFTs so that you can destroy any other of the NFTs out there. Next slide, please. Thank you. So really, we have lots of villains. The world is full of villains. And so, you know, we'd have narratives and storylines for the villains, lots of different types of villains. And we would have a community where everyone is just combating each other and trying to be the most evil. And so, yeah, we'd have our Toxicoin, we'd have our toxic traits and auras. You would level up your villain with those toxic traits, with those auras, and then you would battle other villains to steal their Toxicoin, to devastate them, to completely destroy them, to kill their spirit. And really, that's what NFT should be all about. So next slide, thank you. So yeah, lots of, essentially the auras are like a power level, and the different toxic traits, they could be things like backstabbing, lying, being evil, being a criminal, being infamous, like a lot of the judges here today, diabolical, and really you just want to level them up to, to take everyone out. There would be leaderboards so that we would know who is the most evil of them all. Next slide, please. So obviously we would have a marketplace, we would have our leaderboard, also known as our evil board. You'd be able to purchase the different traits. Next slide, please. So yeah, we would have our different roadmap. Obviously we would release the NFTs, build the community, kill the community, integrate the game, and then take over the galaxy or planet or country. It's completely up to you what you want to take over. Next slide, please. So not an investment opportunity. We're out to dominate. We're not here to make money. We're out to destroy everyone else. And yeah, next slide, please. So really just wanted to show you, this is art that was created by our own team. So we have some very talented artists here. If you just kind of scroll down, lots of different styles. So yeah, lots of different potential for this, but really it's all about getting your freak on, destroying others, and just being the best at being the worst. And that is Team 4's presentation.
Wow, you still have 1 more minute you can utilize.
Smashed it.
All right. All right. Wow. So this is the really cool and very compact presentation from Team 4, Villain NFT and Toxic Coin. All right. Anyone has a question to ask?
And I guess being a villain, we like to have awkward pauses.
Loja is asking, where's Project 7? Am I villain? All right. Questions, please. Okay, I'm asked one more question. You said that you're not here for money. You're here for destroy everything. Can you explain what does that mean?
I think Project 7
Oh my
is
god.
speechless.
My mic was on mute. Wow, I kept talking by myself. So, all right, yeah, that was really compact and very powerful presentation. Thank you so much. So please ask questions. So there was a question above that the was it there questions like where's Project 7 in the villain list? Okay, I have a question. You actually mentioned in the middle of your presentation said that your team is not here for money. It's for destroying everything.
Correct.
Yeah, what is it for? Destroying what?
Well, I mean, like lots of people invest it in NFTs, but this isn't about making money. This is about destroying everyone else. So really, it's out to show that you're the best.
So like what about the toxic coin? So if I earn toxic coin, the value of toxic coin can be destroyed too? Or
Well,
whenever
I
you
guess
guys
to say,
destroy something, then
you
the
would
values
earn,
of the coin will increase on
you would
opposite way.
earn toxic coin, but you'd also spend toxic coin on traits and stuff. So who knows what would happen to the value? Maybe it would go up, maybe it would go down. Who's to say? But the more villainous you are, the more toxic traits you'd get. So I think there'd be enough sinks.
Awesome. So in the game world, the game supposed to be, I mean, the NFT is supposed to destroy everything, and then the people can
Basically,
utilize.
you would battle other villains, and
yeah.
you would steal their toxic coin in the
Alright.
battle if you win.
There's one important question from Josh. How do you mitigate the biggest buyer equal highest power? Any proof of work? Wow, difficult question.
Basically, instead of proof of work, we would have proof of evil. So there's no guarantee that just because you have the most traits, you would win. Essentially, you might just have one trait, which is the backstabber, and maybe that would win them all. So it's it's hard to say. I don't think the richest person, but maybe the best villains are the richest people. Think about that.
Wow. Biggest villains, the richest people. Wow, that sounds really interesting concept. Any plan for cure points?
No.
Yeah, this
There'd
is
be no way to cure our evilness. Our evilness is forever.
Krasno says really says something about society. Richest person equal like P7 versus Tony. Nah. Destruction 2 is creative urge. Yeah, people love your concept. Yeah. So okay, let's get the last question. Anyone? You can turn on your mic to ask directly, like what Emily Jr. did earlier.
And I just really want to thank Team 4. Really an incredible team. Lots of great ideas. As you can see, very artistic. So yeah, Team 4 was amazing.
So your team members made maybe each of them, right? Wow, this is cool.
Yeah, so some drew them in pixel art, some used AI. But yes, this was all created by Team 4.
Okay. If you guys don't have... Oh, last question. Okay. Will we potentially see the project on Workcast? Important question.
I imagine so, because Warpcast is a place where evil people can be evil together. So yeah, probably.
Awesome. All right. Okay, everyone. This was the Team 4 Villain NFT and Toxic Coin project. All right. Thank you. Woohoo! Okay. So now we're in the team 5. Okay, everyone, last time to meet Team 5, Urban Edge. Woohoo! Team 5, Urban Edge. Woohoo! All right. Who's gonna run the presentation, Team 5? Hello, Team 5, are you there?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you. All right. Are you gonna share your screen?
No, it will be better if you will present.
Okay. Let me check. Is this your slide? Can you check?
Yes.
Okay. So I will run your slide. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. Let's begin your presentation now. Go.
So hello everyone, GM, and why to just focus on projects based on NFTs or meme coins? Let's dive into something serious. So let's dive into urban age, which is a revolution in the real estate investment. Can you show the next slide, please? So our basic concept involves around tokenizing cities, tokenizing in the sense making tokens of the cities and transforming them into digital assets. Then you can trade this token, that is buy or sell, or like you can also do perpetual trading of these tokens, like on leverages, just like on the Binance futures. Then you can benefit from this the market changes in the real world of these real estate lands without directly owning them, but still able to like making profit on those particular real estate lands. So this is our architecture for bringing our idea to reality. So we will have a data aggregation layer which will collect data from multiple sources and then process that data, analyze that data, and then compute a dynamic per square feet rate for each city. Let's assume a per square feet rate for New York, which is currently $480 to $500, which keeps on decreasing in real time every day. So we then we will use this, like we'll process the data into a machine learning model which will then output this particular data into blockchain. Then this particular data will be faced on the front end side, and charts will be made just like we see charts on Binance and all other like DeFi platforms. Then one can trade on basis of like long or short this particular real estate prices on a platform. And then there will be a liquidity layer which will be a liquidity pool which will be used for the leverage purpose. The normal users can deposit to this particular liquidity layer and gain profits from that particular through trading fees and the liquidation penalties from the traders. And there will be a governance layer which will be completely decentralized for the community decision making process, which is a DAO. So, like, what will be impact and why we are sure that we will succeed? Because there is huge market opportunity. Real estate is like the biggest market in terms of any asset. It ranges from $320 trillion to $350 trillion, and tokenization is definitely the future. Like we are currently seeing the RWA trend in blockchain, that is the real world assets. Then we have unique selling point, that is like combining AI plus DeFi plus blockchain for a unparalleled trading experience. And then there is a user benefit that you can enter into real estate market even with very less fund that are starting from $10. How Web3 is gonna power urban. So obviously there will be decentralization, trustlessness. Then there will be tokenization of the real estate, and there will be global access, that you are not obstructed by any kinds of government regulations or any kind of stuff. Anyone can trade real estate of any part of the world. So what will be our revenue model? A small percentage of each trade that can be buy or sell executor platform. Fees will be charged, a very small fees,
and this will be leverage based fees. More your leverage, the more the fees, and these fees will go to, of course, the liquidity pool as well as some for the development purpose. Then there will be liquidation fees. Who fail to meet the collateral requirements, which are like who are traders here are well known, like what are liquidation fees. So these fees will be shared in the liquidity pool and again reinvested into the platform's ecosystem. Then there will be liquidity pool staking rewards. Some staking rewards will be going to the ecosystem funds, and most of the will go back to the community. So we are going to have our own token, that is the Urban token, which is going to be the native token of our platform. Total supply will be 1 billion tokens. Type will be SPL token built on Solana. Why we are using Solana? Because this is going to be a very high-speed trading platform. So it requires the help of Solana's high throughput. Then the utility will be to empower the governance, the staking, the fee reduction, and the premium data access, which is the analytics data and the API data, which can be used by the researcher and the data analyst for their own research, like for own development purpose. So these are the tokenomics. I think these are not, yes, these are visible. So majority of them will go to.
All right, I'm sorry, but the time's up. Time's up. So sorry for the cutting the presentation. But yeah, that was really great presentation by Team Urban Edge. Everyone, woohoo! Everyone, let's make a big clap, please. Everyone, the big clap, please. Team 5, Urban Edge. All right. So let me show the rest of the slides. The token distribution and the urban token is log free. Wow. And the future roadmap and vision. Okay, this and then investment opportunity and join revolution. All right. So this was the old slide. Do you guys have any question? Please. Question, please. Question, please. You can turn on your you can turn on your mic to ask questions actually, or leave a message in the launch channel, please. So, first question: how is this different to PRCL? Jit, what is PRCL?
Yes, so Parcel is the like the real estate platform again on Solana, but the difference here is Parcel is like mainly focused on the square feet price, but we are going to introduce many other factors like the pollution index of the any particular cities. Then the cities we can also bet on cities climate, if it's going worse or if it's going like if it's going nice, you can just long on that particular factors. Like there are different indexes as well, like the you can also bet on the population of the city. So not only just the land price, but you can also bet on different other indexes like pollution index and all that stuff.
Awesome. And the second question is, if you're going to launch the tokenized real estate service, which country will be the first targeted?
The first targeted countries will be the superpowers, that are the China, then there are USA, then there is UK, then there is India, and the
Wow.
French, where the real estate market is quite huge.
Basically all
And then
the
we
biggest
will be
countries.
slowly moving towards other countries too. So our target is to tokenize whole Earth. So even Antarctica will be tokenized at some point.
I see. And Irvan says, yeah, is it incredible project name? Were you inspired by any particular builder? I can see the
No,
question.
not particularly. It's just that
I think it's
it is a
mentioning
nice name.
Urban because his name is Urban Gladiator. Okay. South Korea? Okay, so what is PRCL? PR is a Parker token. I've never heard it. Do you know that? PRCL?
Yes, PRCL is basically one more real estate platform, but the thing is they have shifted to more towards the cryptocurrency trading platform, rather than like they have stopped the listings of the new cities, and they are mostly focused on USA market, and we
Awesome.
are going to focus on overall whole Earth.
So this can be your kind of good benchmarking project to do, right? Or you're gonna be far better than them. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. I have my question too. I remember that you mentioned about future market. Could you explain the mechanisms? Like, how do you so utilize future market on the real estate? Literally RWA, right? Could you explain more about that concept, the future market adoption on
Sure,
that?
sure. So future markets in basically you can, if you don't have enough funds,
Mm-hmm.
let's say like you're $10 and you are damn sure that this particular city's price are going up, and like you want to like maximize your profit, you can just uh, trade that particular $10 on 10x leverage. So you are basically kind of technically trading $100 on that, and if the price goes by 1%, technically you are earning $1 on that. That's $1 is going to be like the 10% of your $10. So basically you are going to earn 10% instead, like you are going to earn 10% instead of 1%. So it's like the Binance futures market. So what exactly going to happen in liquidity pool is that whenever someone shorts that and someone long, so there will be 50-50 ratio. So when there are it will be maintained to 50-50, the longs and the shorts. And whenever if the shorts prediction goes the opposite way, they all get liquidated and all of that profit goes to the longs fund. So basically, this
Yeah,
how the
my
liquidity pool is going to be balanced, and
my
traders are also going to enjoy the leverage trade benefits.
sorry, my question was actually, like how to connect those future market with real estate. Like, so, like,
Yes, sure, sure.
yeah.
So the thing is, you are going to like trade on the land prices. So these land prices are going to be the real time land prices. So it's going to be like just like you trade on cryptocurrencies, it's going to be the similar way. Let's say you're betting on London. So London's market price went by like 1%. Uh, let's say from it went from 40 for $480 to $500. So you're just going to trade the similar way, like you are going to bet kind of bet that it's going to going up, and it will surely keep on going up, and that is how you're going to earn profit. If it's going up and you have opened a long trade, you will earn profit. And if it's going like the opposite direction, it's going to decrease, the price is keep going on decreasing, then you will incur loss, and this loss will be beneficial for the ones who
I
have
see.
opened the right trade.
All right. Last question probably by Loja. So then question is, will you focus on the token trading for trader, or will you focus on the raw product service for the retail users, or both at the same
So
time?
this will be both will be there. So the raw product service will be basically providing the data analytics to the other developers, and this will be the is in our future roadmap. And currently the first aim is to like in our future can you show the future roadmap? So
Yeah.
our first aim is to the release of the urban token and the platform launch, and focus on gaining the liquidity in our liquidity pool to manage the leverage trades, and then eventually it will go towards the retail users as well. So currently
Okay.
for at the first stage it will be focused on the traders.
I see. Oh, I think, yeah, let's have one last question because I think this question is important. So, is it tokenized RWAs or virtual trading on underlying price fees?
So yes, no, this is kind of tokenized RWS, but instead of owning any kind of piece, because in RW you are owning that particular land or let's say any real world asset, but instead here you are kind of betting on price of that particular that particular city. So and this price feed will be this price feed will be generated through a machine learning model, which will collect data from different different sources to predict the accurate price of that particular city.
Okay, I see. All right. So yeah, this was a great presentation by Urban Edge Team 5. All right, everyone, let's make a big applause. Thank you so much for your presentation. Thank you.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Okay, now So right now we have team 6, 7, 8, so 3 presentation left, okay? So now let's meet team 6, Butter's Dream. Woohoo! Team 6, Butter's Dream. Woohoo!
Hi guys.
Hello, okay.
Hi guys. We're
Um,
team 6 and we yeah.
do you
Can you hear
wanna?
me?
Yeah, do you want me to share the screen or you're gonna share?
We wanna share. Julia will share.
Julia, okay, so I am loading Julia's slide. And what about video?
Can you play it for us
When do you want me to do that?
right now?
Oh, right now.
We're team 6 and we prepare an intro video about our project. So let's start it.
Okay, hold on. Sorry. Can you actually tag me the video file again? Sorry.
Okay. Wait, I also lost it.
Okay, I found it. All right, so be mind that this video time also will include that presentation time. Is it okay?
Okay.
All right, so can you guys see this video screen? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm gonna start timer. Ready? Go.
Hi there, I'm Ms. Butter, just a little piece of butter. I may look small and simple, but I have a big dream. But I can't do it alone. So today, I'd like to show you how you can help me achieve my dream. Have you ever heard of the butterfly effect? It's the idea that even a small movement can create big changes in the world. My dream is to grow wings, become a butterfly that flutter through the world, spreading love and making positive changes wherever I go. But to make this dream come true, I need your help, because your small actions can make a huge difference too. By joining Butter's Dream, you can help me to create a beautiful butterfly effect. I know we can create something truly magical. A little kindness from you and a big difference for everyone. Helping me is super easy. First, log into our website using your Warpcast account. Next, purchase Butter tokens through your Warpcast linked wallet. Finally, donate at least 1 Butter token and you'll automatically reserve your very own Butter NFT for minting later. You can donate as much as you like beyond 1 token. It's entirely up to you. Now, all that's left is for you to take that first step. Your kindness will help me fly.
Okay, let's back to the presentation. Yeah, our project is Butter's Dream. As you notice, it is a donation project. Before we talk about our project deeply, we want to share why. Most of our team members are new to Web3, but we believe it's the future. However, Web3 often gets criticized for not being eco-friendly, and we wanted to address that. While many focus on profits or fun, which is great, but we asked, can we do something impactful within Web3 right now? Can it help build a sustainable future for the environment? So these are why we thought about this idea, Butter's Dream. We didn't want to make something too heavy or too complicated. No one likes the boring way, right? Instead, we focused on 3 simple principles. Super easy, so everyone to join freely without burden. Super cheap, so anyone can participate. Last, super cute. As you know, cuteness saves the world too. We've made the whole process fun and easy, like a game. It's so complicated that you buy tokens, choose an organization, send the tokens, and track where the donations go, right? But we've designed a ready-made system on the website. And it's super cheap to participate. 1 Butter token is just 0.1 USDC. So you can start donation with 1 little coin. When the donation season ends, you will get a cute Butter NFT tower that everyone helped build together. Your Butter, customized with the colors of your Warpcast PFP, will stay on the website even after the season ends. It's both the donor list and the NFT we will share with you. Our goal is to create a project that's playful and easy to join while still making a real world impact. Isn't it so based? And yes, it's based on the easy, cheap, and fast based chain. We've already issued Butter token using Mint Club. To keep things fair, Butter tokens are the same price for everyone. There's a 1% fee when buying, which will go toward covering operational costs, but there's no fee when selling. And there is a special event. For our top 3 donors, they will get an exclusive NFT within Wings to celebrate their incredible generosity. Aren't you curious about where your donations go? For example, since our idea started with Butter, we decided to focus the first season on food-related issues. So we are planning to donate a hunger prevention organization in Canada. Butter stream runs in seasons, each with a unique theme, and we donate tokens to matching organizations using blockchain for transparency. Our promotion plan is realistic and achievable. First, partnership with the Tide channel. We've already finalized discussions with the channel owner, so the first project might be hosted through Tide, and we set up our own channel on broadcast and X soon.
All right, all right. Thank you so much for your presentation. Unfortunately, time's up. Time's up.
Almost done. It's okay.
Okay. All right, everyone. This was the Butter Stream. Amazing presentation by Team 6. All right, Team 6. Do you guys have any question? Please turn on your mic or leave a message in the launch channel. Yeah. First question. Can you cook this burrito? Okay. Okay. Why fixed price? Why not a clanker? Is too good of the meme to not brace the speculation upside. So basically, his question is like, why is the fixed price? Why didn't you set up any like actual price curve so that this
Yeah, we used tokens because we wanted to make sure everyone could donate at the same price, whether they donate now or later, staying true to the purpose of the donations, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, so we plan to create a special NFT for the top donors, top three donors, and keeping the token price consistent makes it easier to track it. So that's why.
I see. So you want to just focus on like donation part, right? You don't want to add up any like a kind of speculative upside things like from the traders. I see.
Yeah.
Do we get a proof that our money actually goes for donations? Questions from Dylan.
Do we get proof?
So you mentioned about the donation, right? You're gonna actually donate the money to probably to charities. Is there gonna have any proof of that?
Oh.
Or is that completely based on trust of you?
As we mentioned, as you mentioned, we used the how can I explain? Blockchain. We use the blockchain organization. So everything is go on to the blockchain. So you can just
So maybe
see it.
Yeah, my suggestion, maybe you can after you make a donation from it, and then you just upload those donation transaction to on chain, or maybe you can set the charity organization that accepts a cryptocurrency donation. Then you don't need to even have the proof, like because there's a transaction record, right? So there can be a proof of that. Yeah, I see. More questions. As with all, but something. Yeah, more questions, please. Questions. Who designed this butter character? It's so cute.
Dedicated our one
Yeah.
of our marketer.
Okay.
Wasabi did our great wasabi
Oh,
did.
cool. Yeah. The question. There's another question. How do you distribute the donation? Yeah. Can you show the maybe slide? You mentioned about the how do you use the fund to donate? There was a slide. There was a question by from Mr. Brown. So how do you actually donate?
Julia, can you change the slide?
Julia is frozen. Okay, I think this was on. Yeah. So explanation, please.
So how do you distribute?
I guess he's
We
asking
will-
the overall concept of your donation. Like, you're not gonna like randomly donate your money for like this month, like, oh, let's go for some political organization. This time go for like some nature related donation. I mean, you're not gonna do that, right? Like, so literally I think he's asking the concept of your donation, I guess.
we will do like that.
Oh, really? Okay, so that was the
Next
concept.
year, yeah,
Random.
next year.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. That's
All right.
the concept.
Okay.
You don't need to like choose where to donate. We choose.
Okay. There's another question. So it's a 10-cent stablecoin where each transfer donates a charity transaction. You can probably take the yield on the deposited USDC instead of charging fixed fee on buys to cover up the cost. Will get more adoption. I think this is a suggestion for you. So literally, he's still questioning like your decision about the fixed price. So if you use actually, Karan, can you explain? Maybe you can turn on your mic, and then you can explain. You can deliver your feedback. Yeah.
This is just a suggestion. Like, I like the idea of the fixed price now. I was just saying, like, if you just do it 1-to-1 with the money, so like if I'm putting $100, I'm getting $100 worth of coin, and they can probably charge like the USDC that I'm depositing or the asset that I'm depositing. You can earn a yield on that to cover operational costs. If you do that, then this can get really big. That's how
I see.
USDC does with
It's like the Coinbase wallet earn like 4.3% whatever the earning from USDC, right? You're talking about.
This was just a suggestion, not a
Yeah.
question.
Awesome. So yeah, what Karan suggested is that maybe you can take USDC as the donations, each transfer, and then they can create some yields. Probably at the moment from the Coinbase wallet, I remember that there was about 4% something yield pool for the USDC. So maybe you can utilize that to cover up more donations, I guess.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome. Wow, Sebaki already put the money on it. Then what's next? So Sebaki purchased 1,000 butter. So about $100 worth. Then what's the next plan?
Wow.
What's the next step from that?
Next step. Oh, we didn't actually.
Oh, you didn't expect.
Can you make the slide? Can you move the slide for?
Okay, so
we need the.
So basically, they did not expect that somebody actually purchased this token.
Because we, like, oh my
Okay.
gosh, we
Okay,
wanted
so
to launch
maybe-
the project right away.
Yeah,
we
maybe.
wanted to.
Yeah, you can you can release a future plan after this ideathon separately
Yeah,
to justify
actually,
the purchases. All right.
For now, like
Okay.
we wanted to launch the project right away with website.
Okay.
We were already explained, but unfortunately, we are lacked enough developers.
I see. All right.
That's why we created a web demo using Figma and videos.
Yeah.
So-
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't need to be panic. All right, everyone. This is the presentation from Team 6 Butter Stream. Woohoo!
Thank you.
All right. Now there are only 2 presentations left. All right. So let's meet Team 7 Own It project. Woohoo! Team 7 Own It. All right. Who is gonna run the presentation?
I'm going to be presenting.
All
Do you
right.
mind showing your screen? Yeah.
Okay.
We sent you the gamma.
Yeah, you sent me a 2 link. This slide and wow, website. Is
Yeah.
it?
So when we're done with the presentation, which
Uh-huh.
is short, we're gonna go to the website because it helps us explain.
All right. So, are you ready to begin your presentation?
Yes, we're ready.
All right, let's begin now. Go.
All right, hey guys. Have you noticed how big tech and major corporations continuously make a profit off your data? You never see a dime off of it. Alexa, Siri, Google is always spying on you, tracking you, storing all your browsing history. Well, that's what Own It is here for. We're breaking that matrix, and we are now allowing you. Sorry, my Alexa, I was talking to her. So we are going to help you break that problem that we currently have with big tech. Next slide. So what we basically do is that you would generate your own data, you mint it, you input it, you mint it, and then we are going to turn it into an NFT, which you can sell back. But as you can see, nowadays, they generate your data. They also spy on your data, and they bombard you with irrelevant ads, or honestly just sell you to a bigger market, and when are you going to get paid for that? Do you want passive income? This is an excellent way to do that. Next slide. So you're going to turn all of your data into an NFT. You're going to put a price on it, you're in charge, and then you're going to make a profit off of it. You set your price, you set your anonymity, so you can be as anonymous as you like or as transparent as you like, and then you can set your own price. You can either set your own price or you can set up an auction for your personal data. No longer leaving it up to Google or Amazon to sell your information for a profit. Next slide. Why Own It? Privacy first, because you can be completely anonymous and mint into a data pool, or you can be as transparent as you like, giving out your information. Everything is encrypted and anonymized. You don't have to worry about that. And at the end, everything is ethical sharing. So if whoever is buying your data does something that is unethical, you are immediately notified. We would have regulations in place that would not allow that, and therefore you can block any company that misuses your data without your permission. Next slide. Okay, so how it works, it's simple. You collect your data, gaming, fitness, shopping, everything is up for minting. Then you upload it, you encrypt it, and you mint it as an NFT. You set your terms and price, you sell it for a one-time payment, royalties, or license to use it for a brand, or even an auction. So auction is still up there for the highest bidder. And continue, you make your money. Next slide. Okay, so some of the best use cases are, steps for a marathoner, the gaming hours logged when you're online playing games, your music lover, like you're a music lover and you listen to music all the time for everything that you do. All of that is constantly being sold to the highest bidder in big tech. Your grocery, you have patterns and you like going to the grocery, you can set up receipts. So either you can upload your shopping browsing history or your grocery receipts from the store. It all collects you points and it all allows you at the end to put into an NFT and mint it. You have your online courses or education as well that interest you. That can be an NFT. You can also bundle everything together and just make it one NFT with all of your information and sell it to the highest bidder. Next. All right, so these are the features. You know, you have your data under our vault. So it's your data. It's always yours. You sell it to who you want. It stays secure until you decide to share it. So even if you're not ready to sell or, you know, put it up for auction or anything, it stays in our vault. So you can keep that with us. You can have a selective reveal. So like I said, it's anonymous as you'd like. Buyers sign a smart contract and buyers only see what you allow them to see. Royalties forever. You can set up royalties in order for your product to be used. And you're turning the tables on big tech. You know, like I said, they're constantly spying on you. They're constantly listening to you. They're constantly browsing. Oops, sorry.
All right. All right. Unfortunately, time's up.
Yeah, I talk too much.
Oh, no problem. So the leftover slide is like features and own it
Yeah,
mint
that was the minted
page
page, yeah.
and marketplace and
Mint it, own it, profit, guys.
all right. Okay. So this was the presentation by Team 7 Own It. Woohoo! Thank you so much for your presentation. All right. Now question time. Question time. So you can turn on your mic to ask questions, or yeah, please type your question in the launch channel. I can pick it up. So
If you have questions, you can open the website, and then people can just look at it and also
oh wow,
direct them.
cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the
Yeah.
website. All right. So question: how do you collect traits for a user? Wow, very challenging question.
Oh, so everything is compiled into our system, and out of that we provide an AI generator, which you can input all of your information, and it will create NFTs, or it create any kind of image for you for your profile. So you can go on the website, and if you go to author, you can see your see top sellers down here. We have Naynar, we have Tomo, top sellers of their data.
Okay. So basically AI will work to collect the traits.
Right.
All right. Okay.
And you can mint that. You can have that minted as your part of your profile NFTs.
I see. Yeah, AI gen is kind of big trend nowadays. So yeah, that's cool. Question is, this is
Yeah.
really good. Yep. Go on.
Hello?
Yep.
Yeah. Also, I want to add something to that answer, because we will try to integrate our platform to e-commerce platform and also other platforms, and also we will have a feature like you can upload your receipt. Suppose you are buying some groceries and you upload the receipt, our AI will automatically extract the data and convert into a NFT. So you can store the data on our platform, or you can also store the data on a data pool, and later whenever you want to mint it, you can mint it. So our platform will also have a feature like your Amazon app will be connected to our platform, and we'll try to extract data from that platform.
Okay. I see. And the next question by Loja. Question is, this is really good, but quite hard to know where to start. Workcast? Loja, can you clarify your question? Yeah.
Oh. Do you want to go, McCoy?
So basically,
Okay.
yeah,
So
where
it's
to
really,
start? Yeah.
it's
Mhm.
so it's really simple. You would start with your own personal data. We have the minted page where you would upload your file or your receipts. And we've made it really simple. If you go to author.
Author? Where?
Yeah.
Oh, here. Okay, author. Wow.
Yeah. So if you go to author, you'll
Yeah.
have your profile, your wallet, your create.
Uh-huh.
And then there you would go hit single.
Single? Where? Just
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no. So you go to author and then
yeah.
create.
Oh,
At
create.
the top,
At the top, yeah.
author, and then you go scroll down to create.
Single. Yeah.
You hit single,
Yeah.
and then you would select a category. So if you're uploading entertainment, lifestyle, shopping, this can be anything. This is globally or applies to anyone and everyone that wants
Oh my
to,
god.
earn a passive income or a new stream of income. You select entertainment, lifestyle, shopping. You upload your file.
Is this a working website? Is it really fully working? Wow, is it?
No, not fully working, not yet.
Oh, all right.
It is
Almost.
just a template.
That's cool.
Yeah, so then you would
yeah.
select fixed price, timed auction, or open for
All right.
bids. You choose fixed price on
Okay.
your, on ETH. And then, the title you want for it, what you want to set up, royalties, and then you would create your item. And then if you see to your right, you would see the preview of your NFT.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, so you can start with our website. It is available online. Suppose there is an example. Suppose you are the CEO of an e-commerce website. Suppose X, and you want to know what buyers are buying from other e-commerce website or suppose from local stores. So then you can maintain NFT.
Yep.
That is shopping pattern of the 100K buyers, and suppose your genre is electronics and you want to shift to grocery store.
Okay.
Then you will get the data from our platform. Like you will have to mint NFTs like top grocery trends. Suppose, for example, there is an NFT where you can get access to Blackpink's Lisa's dance choreography steps and tutorials, her daily routine, what she likes to do in free time, and some secrets that she hasn't revealed in any interviews yet.
I see.
So you can mint our NFTs and you can get access to data like that.
There's actually important questions I want to mention. So undefined as that data on blockchain can be transparent, assuming your data is on chain. How do you prevent bad actors from stealing other users' sensitivity information? Hello? So the question is this one, undefined. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
No, that was frozen. Okay, so yeah, undefined question was
hello.
Yeah, the
Hello,
data. This one,
yeah.
data on blockchain can be transparent. How do you prevent bad actors from stealing other users' sensitive information?
Yeah, so our platform have a feature like selective reveal, and also the buyer has to sign an agreement before minting the data. Suppose while minting the data, suppose we will use some anonymous tools. Before minting, user can remove identity information of their own information, and they can set some rules that how buyers will use their data. So that data will be encrypted and partially visible to buyers. And if suppose after minting the data, some buyers or some companies bad use our data, then we'll have a DAO system where we can allow a user to appeal for blacklisting a particular company or particular user. So the DAO will vote on such cases, and they can blacklist that particular user if they misuse our data.
So basically, the data uploader can decide the sensitivity of the data to provide. Is it correct?
ONIT integrates smart contact enforcement, so ensuring buyers follow usage terms. So misuse can lead to penalties or either DAO prevention and blacklisting.
All right.
Buyers also undergo a verification process to ensure ethical practice.
Okay, awesome. Let's take one last question because time's up. So Matthew asks, can you upload any data? If yes, how do you ensure it's good data and not fake data? So questions from Matthew here? Yeah.
McCoy, do you want to answer that one?
Yeah, challenging question.
Yeah, it's a very challenging question.
Yeah. This is about data, so I think there are lots of challenging questions from people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I can tell you about
I
the
guess-
anonymity tools that we will provide
I mean, yeah,
for you.
you can just say that you this is Ideathon, so maybe you didn't think in that much, but you can just share your opinion about that. Yeah. You don't need to be pressured. Yeah.
When it comes to the anonymity, we will provide you the tools necessary to do so. So before you mint anything, you can remove any information that you don't want to provide. There's also smart contracts which will automate your usage rules, which ensures the buyer, that the buyer is adhering to the terms that we have provided. It will be encrypted as well, which is going to be stored off-chain and encrypted, which is going to be accessible only via secure protocols. We also comply with the regulations and ensuring the rights are prioritized.
Awesome. Okay. All right. So time's up. So let's finish up. I'll wrap up the Team 7's presentation. Okay. So this was the presentation from Team 7. Own it. Everyone, let's make a big claps. Thank you. Thank you so much for your presentation and amazing Q&A. All right. Wow. Now, we already left only one last presentation. All right. So, now let's meet Team 8 RT8 Artifact. Woohoo! Artifact.
How you doing? All right.
Awesome.
Hi, everybody. I'm Kresno. I am with Team 8 Eternity, and today we're going to talk about Artifact.
All right.
Artifact was basically a brainchild of a lot of people in Team 8 are artists, so we wanted to decide on how can we make Web3 better. So we wanted to bridge the gap between artists and collectors and do something more with physical and digital NFTs. So we wanted to foster communities where we can help each other out. So I'll just get on with the presentation and go from here. Our vision is just to, again, create communities, more or less have artists work together, and we all either profit or just help people out. One of the solutions we offered, because they used one of the stuff I was making with my fashion brand, and one of the problems I had was shipping, because shipping is very, very expensive. So we wanted to try to figure out a way to solve that problem. And by doing that, we wanted to do something with Web3, as in we either use tokens or a membership NFT. And this is more or less just to make sure that we all be able to reach global audiences and pretty much just connect artists to each other and to their consumers and stuff. Our value proposition is just to get more global reach for artists, so we can basically get more eyes on people's art. We want to do some event support and get some financial backing so they can actually have their artworks in shows. I mean, I'm in New York City, so I actually can make this a possibility. I just need the support for that to happen. And we also wanted it to be affordable art for collectors, so people can actually have oops, sorry about that. People can actually have their art around for people to collect, and also pretty much make a custom show, just so we can get a curation of different Web3 artists all in one spot. For our revenue model, we wanted to do a membership system, of which we would make artifact tokens or NFTs using Mint Club's bonding curve. For our product sales, we wanted to collaborate with different artists with NFT and merch designs and physical merchandise. In my case, I already make hoodies and t-shirts, so this is something I know about. For another one, we'll be talking about auctions and promotions, and we'll do unique executive auctions, and then we can even leverage Moxie or tips for that. And then for the last one, community, we want to try to help donate and do sponsorships for like the Web3 art community as well, since we actually want to be a big part of that community. And for our benefits, we want to actually be able to like reduce costs on like creating merchandise, be able to like give them a stipend if they can go out and travel, because we want our artists to actually go out and like do art stuff. And I know that's really vague, but in that case, it's like being able to travel as an artist is a really big privilege. So I would really love to see that happen. And then like for the people who actually support the artists, they usually would get like unique stuff like merchandise, custom art pieces, and more or less, I feel like being able to pay for artists and like help them out would be something really, really good. Right now, I think one of our like team members, I believe Kat, already made a token called Artifact, but I might be going a little bit ahead of myself, but we just want to discover unique artworks from our collectors, then we foster our engagement, do shipping, and then create like membership benefits. And then after that, we can probably do like a full-on like, I would either say a physical or an online art show just to showcase and make more cool stuff happen. Other than that, our roadmap is just to finalize our tokenomics, probably collaborate with Mint Club to make a really good economic model. Then after that, we'll probably do a promotion just to make sure we can actually have community going with us so we can do something really cool with like a Warpcast campaign. Then work with other artists, possibly like a lot of like, Teammate is full of like really cool artists, so I think we can probably pull something off. And then we'll just launch the platform from there and see how that goes. But yeah, that's the end of my presentation. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them the best I could.
Wow, awesome. So everyone, this was the presentation from Team 8, Artifact. Woohoo! All right, now it's question time. So, yeah, you can turn on your mic again, or leave your question in the launch channel, please. So, Mochigom says Web3 artist salon. Oh wow, good concept. Web3 artist salon. Great presentation. All right, so I may ask question then. Yeah, while other people's typing. So basically, the core concept of it is kind of subscription of an artist product. Is it correct?
I wouldn't say subscription of. I would say it would be subscriptions for the artists themselves. Like I wouldn't say it would be it could also be like a one size fits all kind of deal. But I feel like it would be more appropriate to be like supporting the artist you want. Or it can also go into like the whole, we want to support all artist community. I don't know. It's like an either or kind of like vibe.
It's more for like we subscribe kind of to support my favorite artists. Like for example, like I really love your t-shirts and your all the good stuffs like Kresno. So I want to support it. Then kind of I subscribe that token. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Question: what kind of strategic campaign do you have in mind for Artifact in Warpcast? Very specific question. Yeah.
I feel like we could probably do something more of either like I want to say either a raffle or a contest of just. I want to say we could use tips just to like get more engagement of just saying, hey, do like a NFT for Artifact or show off your work. More or less, like I have always been a fan of just like not friendly competition for this kind of stuff. So I think that might be what we probably plan to do.
Awesome. Loja says it's literally like a fan token, like Kresno token. Like if I have Kresno token, then having lunchtime with Kresno. Is it correct?
I mean, I'd be down for lunch, but I don't know like if the time like would permit. Yep, and yeah, Matsi puts it. That's artists who sympathize with our community. We'll just band together and like get limited like collection NFTs.
Yeah. Actually, I have some specific use case. Actually, I'm subscribing. Actually, the Peaches Art, is a membership. Literally to support the arts. I don't expect any specific stuff from Peaches, but the Peaches keep doing the monthly airdrop. I mean art drop of the work. So yeah, it's kind of cool to have that all the dropped NFTs exclusively for the membership owners. So yeah, I guess this can be good kind of potential of artifact.
I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, Peachy is a trendsetter.
Yeah, trendsetter. Yeah, really. Yeah, so lots of people actually subscribing that membership. So yeah, it has market potential, I guess.
Well, are there any other questions?
So it's better to think of as a community like an agency of artists, yeah, rather than a fan token. Okay, so it's then you can buy actual product of artists. So yeah, it's more than fan tokens. Mochicom says, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. If you yeah, one last question, please. Anyone who wanna ask question? One last. This is the last presentation. Loja might get step discount. Yeah. Keep going. Sorry, Kazno.
No, I mean, if anything, I think Team 8 really did a great job this build on, so I'm just happy to be here supporting them.
Awesome. All right, so this was the last presentation from Team 8 Artifact. Everyone, woohoo! Big applause, please. Woo! All right. So this was the all 6 teams presentation. So from Team 3, let's recap. So Team 3, Pictorial, yeah, and Team 4, Villain NFTs and Toxic Coin member. Team 5, Urban Edge. Team 6, Butterstream. Team 7, Own It, and Team 8, Artifact. All right. So right now, judges are there. Please start to allocate your hypothetical $100,000, not real, but assume that we actually give $100,000 to you. Then please start to I mean, if you don't wanna use the fake money, then you can keep that fake money. But why not you just allocate, right? All right. So please start to allocate, and Loja, please help to collect the scores from each judge. Again, to be fair, if a judge that we invited was not able to see the presentation from the beginning, then unfortunately we're not gonna count them for fairness. All right. But still, judges are really welcome to support your projects, giving some feedback. So we're gonna deliver the feedbacks too later on. Okay, and we do have raffles too. You guys all love the raffle. So I'm gonna copy this messages on the chat, and then please click the emoji within 5 seconds. Then I'm gonna start the raffle. And again, there may have some duplication. If it's duplicated, I'm gonna just keep picking until 10 unique lucky participants can win 1 mini building NFTs. By the way, when you are picked, you should share your wallet addresses within 5 seconds. Do you understand? Yeah, if not, I'm gonna just keep going next one. Do you agree? Yeah, for fairness. All right, so this is just like a fun things to do while judges are allocating their money. So click an emoji on this, please. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's start to pick the first winner. Woohoo, Jeremy! Congratulations. Now, wallet share. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Alright. See, this is the rule. So this is too late. You have to share your wallet addresses within 5 seconds once you are selected, okay? So Jeremy's, I'm sorry, out. Okay? 자, now, first winner is Kelly! Woohoo! Now, wallet. 5, 4, 3. Wow, see? Like this. Yeah, alright. So Kelly, first winner. Okay. Now, second winner. Ready? Woohoo! Mr. Baron. Now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, awesome. Now, the third winner is... third winner, please. Third winner. Wasabi! Woohoo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Awesome. Nice. Rosa, is it fourth winner? Can you help me? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's pick fourth winner. Ready, go! 5. Okay, Lucky Jerry. Woohoo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lucky Jerry. Oh no. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Safe. So Lucky Jerry is lucky. And Champ, please stop sharing your wallet. Okay. The wallet address is only for someone who actually picked. Please don't share random wallet addresses, please. Okay. Now next winner is Mochigom. Now share your wallet. 5, 4, 3. Yeah, Mochigom was ready. Okay. Now next winner is woohoo! Julia. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Julia. Oh no. Okay, time's up. Sorry. Okay, so you really have to ready, okay? Now, how many winners so far? 4 left, right? Okay. Next winner is Buka! Woohoo! 5, 4, 3. Yes, Buka was ready. Okay. Okay, now next winner is Pion! Woohoo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pion! No way! Oh yeah, okay. Almost. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3 left, right? Okay. Whew, let's keep going. The next winner is Dylan. Woohoo! 5, 4, 3. Okay, Dylan was fast. Now 2 more left, right? Is that correct? 2 more left? 2 more left? Is it correct? Yes, all right. The 2 more lucky person is Mr. Freeze. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mr. Freeze. Sorry. Okay, next person. All right, Buka, you already got it. So let's keep going. Next one, no duplication. Buka, you already got it, right? Rosa, can you check? Buka already got it, right? Yes, okay. Yun, woohoo! Congratulations. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, Yun. Sorry. Yeah, you have to be ready, okay? Now the winner is Kyle. Okay, Kyle. Wallet, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kyle. Woohoo! Okay. All right. So now the one last person. All right. Everyone's ready? One last person is Young boy troopers. 5, 4, 3. Share your wallet. 2, 1. Yeah, young boy. Oh, sorry. Okay, the last person is Chomi. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please, I want to finish it. Oh no. Oh yes. Wow. Almost time's up. That was very close. All right. So this was the 10 lucky people of the raffle today. I'm gonna share one mini building each to direct you to this wallet after this Ideathon. All right. Wow. It was fun. So let's check the judges allocation. So Roja, can you update? Are judges all finished to allocate their money? Roja, are you there? Roja, everyone, let's call Roja. Hey, Roja, please help us. Roja is thinking. Roja is AI working on it. Okay, the judges are still working on it. So let's talk about this first then. What will be the next? All right. Okay. So Cheryl asked, is it okay to skip comments? Yeah. If you don't have any comments to share, it's completely fine. That was just like a free form. If you want to share some feedbacks, then please leave your comments. Okay, so next. Oh, by the way, Roja, if you're finished up to gather up the scores, then please let me know. All right. After that, so yeah, today we're gonna announce Ideathon, the first, second, third place. All right. Then we're gonna send you the awarded prize. So the first place is the 1 main building each. Second place is 3 mini building NFT each. And third one is 1 mini building NFT each, right? So we're gonna send directly to each of the team members' wallet. And the second one is the program reward pool distribution, right? So as you know, this is the total BP, this one. This is your final BP. Ideathon is not collected yet. So after the event, I'm gonna collect it Ideathon participants points. Then that's gonna be add up. Then you're gonna get the final distribution for 300 mini building NFT pool. By the way, you know that only the participants who earned 50 BPs or more, right? You remember that rule, right? So for example, if your total BPs are not over 50, then unfortunately you're not able to access on the reward pool, as you know that. Okay, and by the way, we issued the final survivors NFTs, and there was some question that some of the members are not visible there. Yeah, because I already announced before that this is the sole discrete from team leader. So if you're not listed here, then probably your team leader thought that your contribution was not enough to run the team project. But you don't need to be negative about it. This is just like Web3 life. This is like good experiences. So if you think that no, I did really actively participate in, but the team leader did not add me, it's part of experience. Yeah. So maybe you need to think that maybe next time what you can do is more actively involved in your team project. Maybe. But I ask them to add, really, if your team members are really participating in the team, then please add. So most of them probably add it if you're active. Okay. So this is already issued, and when you go to this OpenSea, I've already sent to you. So if you receive this NFT, then you will be able to see here. Okay. This is literally kind of souvenir. Probably doesn't have market value, unless maybe some of them becomes super popular later on. Like who knows? Like some of them can be Elon Musk next future. Then probably this NFT will be very valuable because you can say, "Oh my God, I was alumni of with the person." You know? How do you prove? How do you prove? Here you can see. Yeah, this is the person. This is me. Yeah, like that. So this can be really cool. Like yeah, if any of them can become super famous later on, then this NFT, who know, can be valuable later. All right. Okay. And then next one is BuildCamp season 2. Yeah, we're thinking. Yeah, many people already expressed that the BuildCamp season 2 will be amazing too. But I think that the BuildCamp season 2 may be more specific feature. I mean, like for example, this is just like under still discussions. But I think that the maybe Web3 designer bootcamp or Web3 marketer bootcamp, so more narrow topic, more specific theme. So I think that would be much nicer for the season 2 program. But yeah, not decided yet. So yeah, stay tuned on Hunttown. Anyway, in Hunttown there are lots of things going on. For example, Brickside Chat is coming this Thursday. I think it's this Thursday. Yeah, I think it's this Thursday. Yeah, so we have bi-weekly online meetup. Cool place for you to hang around with other fellow builders, especially mostly our based builders. So you can get connected with them easily in our bi-weekly online networking. So okay, now let's check. So Loja said that it's done, but 2 judges are not leaving their slots empty. So okay, so all total collected $16,666. Wow, lots of 6. Okay, so everyone, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see? Drum roll. So the third place of today, total collected of $100,000. Woo! So this third place got $100,000, which is drumroll please. Ba-bam. Team 3 Pictorials. Woohoo! Team 3 Pictorials. Congratulations. You got $100,000 total invested. Wow, congratulations. Team 3, team leader, are you there? Yo, Dylan. How do you feel?
Yes, I'm there, bro.
Woohoo! Congratulations.
I am very happy. I never expected that this would be more good like this. I thought like this is like fun for fun.
Yeah.
Like sharing our ideas and we will participate and enjoy. I never feel about like we will gonna win or like something.
Awesome. Wow. Congratulations so much again. Woohoo! All right.
Thanks.
Now, second place. This team gets a total of 155,000 hypothetical money invested. All right. So, drumroll please. Second place is Team 7. Own it. Woohoo! Team 7, own it. Yo, Team 7, are you there? Hello, Team 7.
Yes.
Congratulations.
We're here.
Woohoo! Super congratulations.
Yeah, I want to congratulate every team member and for their efforts and all the hard works they put. Yeah.
Yes, thank you to everyone for your hard work and, just honestly for being there at the meetings, when you could, because our time zones were so different. it's 10 p.m. for me at bedtime, and then it's 6 in the morning for McCoy. So it was definitely a group effort, because we were definitely at different time zones, and that was difficult, but we did it. We made it work, and you know what? Thank you,
Awesome.
P7,
Wow.
for this opportunity.
Woohoo! Super congratulations again. Yeah, 6 a.m. Wow. That's very pretty early morning. All right, everyone. The final winner, the first winner. This team got investment of, hypothetical investment again, 274,000. Oh my god, 274,000. Wow, a lot. All right, so drum roll please, drum roll. The first place of today's Ideathon is Team 6 Butter Stream. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yay!
Oh my god, Team 6 Butter Stream. Congratulations. How do you
Thank you
feel?
so much. We didn't expect that to be first place because everyone is so wonderful. Thank you so much, guys.
Wow. Woohoo! Wow, Team 6, Butter Stream, yeah, very cute character and charity project. But they got first place. What charity project can get first place? This is amazing, remarkable result. Especially, I think that the all other projects, pictorials, Villain NFT, Toxic Coin, Urban Edge, Own It, Art Effect, they're all great projects. So actually, the first, second, third place actually is not really important. These are all really great projects, and you guys have amazing experiences together. So that's the most important part. But still, super congratulations for first place, second, and third place. All right, woohoo! And so team 458, do you want to know your team invested the hypothetical money? Then I can open it up. Anyone? Any team wanna know? Actually, they are quite similar. Still very huge, yeah. So which team? Which team you wanna know? Nobody? Okay, yeah. Team 4? Okay, Team 4, Villain and Toxic Coin. Oh my god, it was very close. Jesus Christ. 98,000. Look, wow, just 2,000. Oh my god, 2,000 difference. Okay, Team 5. Okay, Team 5. Wow. Team 5 also very, very, very similar. 93,000. Oh no. And so close. You wanna know, Team A? You wanna know too? Or it's okay? By the way, Team 8 are also very close too. You wanna know? Okay, Team 8 is 90,000. So wow, they're all very similar. Jesus Christ. So basically, the rank was meaningless. It's all similar. So it means that all of your product ideas was really great, very valuable. Maybe some of you guys maybe keep working on to develop more. All right. This is a really great chance to dive into the Web3. So that was our BuildCamp Season 1 program. And again, Hunttown has a lot of things going on. We may develop version 2 coming, maybe. Version 2, the eyes are watching something. This is kind of big teaser. We're discussing still, but we have very fun, exciting version 2 discussion. So it may come soon. So please stay tuned, and please stay tuned with the BuildCamp Season 2 program too. So okay, this 6 weeks amazing program. You guys did great job and showed your great passions, especially on this amazing base chain. We did all great job. All right, everyone. Let's wrap up and see you next on another Hunt Towns event. Alright, and also please don't forget to say big thanks for the judges And please tag each of the judges' name on your broadcast post by saying that thank you so much for supporting today. All right? You know who the judges are, right? Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.